POV, you're an account executive and content specialist at Yatter. Today's a Thursday, so we're in the office today. We work from home the rest of the week, but today we all come in to have some face-to-face meetings, film some content and just see each other. I start my day by getting set up. I've got 2 monitors at the office because it helps me build reports faster and edit videos easier. I started the day with checking over emails and my accounts to make sure everything's ticking over nicely. Then I sorted myself out with a coffee. After that, I started working on a Q2 account plan for one of my clients. We've managed to generate £30,000 for this client in their first 2 months here, and the owner now wants to increase their budget so they can hire another team and take on more work. I've been sitting for a while at this point, so I decided to get up and go over to the standing desks, where Jamie had some valuable information to share with me. Thanks, Jamie. Then Kier got out of a meeting with a client, so I rewarded him with a crisp high five and a double fist bump. Then it was time for lunch, but I was so excited about my Stevens steak bake and dough ring that I forgot to record it. So here's some footage of me doing some laps on the Yatter scooter, whilst the team discussed things less interesting than me doing tricks on the scooter. We just got a new green screen, so after lunch we decided to test it out. It definitely needs to be ironed, but we're just testing it out today. I recruited Gavin to jump around on camera
Take your profit from this to this
for reasons beyond my own entertainment.
Okay, perfect.
Then I put all that footage into my computer and got started editing it. Then we shot a video with Michael talking about ad copy. Then it was back to editing the green screen video, and after an hour or so I'd finished the first 5 seconds of the video. Then 5 minutes before the end of the day I realised that I hadn't taken down the green screen yet, so I did that with Kier's help. Packed everything up, said my goodbyes and left everyone else in the office to work longer and harder than me.